Okay, well, welcome. Have you watched any videos or read about this and seen how this all works?
Yeah.
Okay, well, good. We're gonna be talking as we go through this. We're gonna show you the lasers to kind of give you a sense of what to expect.
Okay.
If you open your eyes and look up above you, this is the second laser that we use, is the one that reshapes the eyes. If you look up above you, you can see a green flashing light. Do you see it up there?
Uh-huh.
So that is our fixation light. That's where we want you to be focused towards. Only one eye will be open at any given time, and we're going to have an eyelid holder keeping your eye open.
Okay.
The second laser, part of the laser drops down. We call it our halo. It's our tracking system.
Okay.
You'll hear us saying halo or halo down. The laser then is going to verify that it's you in the correct eye. Once it locks on, we'll activate the laser. On this side, you'll hear the laser. You will not feel the laser. Simple as that, looking at the green flashing light. Now the bed's going to slide to our left. We're going to go towards the first laser we use. And this first laser is a laser that creates our LASIK flaps. It's going to look a little bit different, and it's going to feel a little bit different. If you open your eyes and look up above you, you're going to see a round ring of little LED lights. That's where we want you to be focused towards, those LED lights. Again, only one eye will be open at any given time, and you'll have the eyelid holder stabilizing your eyelids. We'll show you that the surface is numb every step along the way, but when we start on this side, things go dark and you'll sense some pressure as the laser holds the eye steady. The laser has to flatten the curve of your cornea to create the LASIK flap, and that process takes about 15 to 20 seconds. Not a long time, but during that process, again, things go a little dark and you'll sense the laser stabilizing you. Okay?